Opening up a pack of 1991 Pacific Flashcards Football. Test issue, 10 super high gloss cards, it says. Crinkly foil wrapper. Geared towards kids that got a math problem on one side. And the answer is in the form of the player's jersey on the other. So 52 minus 18. The answer is 34. Kevin Mack. Let's see what else we got. Dave Craig. Steve Wallace. Jeff George, Jim Scow, Don Mosbar, Ronnie Lott, hey, nice, Hall of Famer, Steve DeBerg, Marcus Allen, couple of Raider Hall of Famers there, and Jim Everett, 1991 Pacific Flashcards.